welcome to my channel. My name is Daphne. Thanks for tuning in. Let's get into the video. Right, this is the rice that I got. It's sushi rice. I went by the directions on the back. The only thing is I just did it with the water. Afterwards it shows using rice wine vinegar and sugar and salt, I believe, but I just made the rice with the water, let it cook for 20 minutes and then let it sit, you know, get to where I can mess with it. So that's what I did. Also I have seaweed sheets that's for sushi, and I got me some black sesame seeds to put on top and some yum yum sauce. This stuff is really good. And then water, because you got to have water because the rice is very sticky, but I'll show you how to do all that in a minute. And then I have cream cheese, crab, cucumber, and I'm getting ready to do the avocado because I was trying to wait to the very last minute to do it. I got saran wrap, and I'm just going to wrap it around like this, and then fold the sides in, and that makes it where nothing sticks to your roller, and then that's ready. Okay, so one of these sheets of seaweed will actually make two. You're going to take it in half. Make sure you get it a good line. Okay. All right, you're going to see one side is rough and the other side is shiny. Make sure the rough side is up. Oh, and we have water. And the water is because you have to put some on your hands when you mess with the rice. If not, the rice is just going to stick all over you. I'm going to use about a quarter cup of rice. So normally what I do is put some in here. And that way I know if it's over a little bit, it's not really going to hurt nothing. So I'm going to put that like that. And then I wet my hands some. And then you just take the rice. Actually, I may need more than that. I'm going to push it. Not push it, you want to roll it first, because if you push it, it's going to be all squishy, mushed all in there. So I'm going to just roll it. Try to get all the spots covered. I'm going to get a little bit more. Just want to put enough just to make sure you got it all covered here. My hands are starting to stick. The rice is sticking to them. So, a little more water there. Alright, then once you do that, you're going to flip this over. See, my hands. The rice is very sticky. That's why you have to use water. Okay. And then give it a little push and then you're good. Okay, so to start off with, I am going to, let's see, go ahead and put the crab. And then of course it's too big, so I'm gonna have to break it and make it where it should be. Make it like that. And then cucumber. And then your cream cheese. Maybe too big still. Make it just like that. Should fold it a little bit. Okay. And then what you're going to do, let me get my hands, because I got them all sticky. Take it. You want to make sure you roll it over. To where it's actually almost to the end. And give it a, let me see, not like that. Okay. And then once that goes, then you can actually turn it. Just squish it a little bit. I mean, don't like squish it like you're trying to break it, but you know, give it a good squish. And then it looks like that. Then to make it come where it's more rolled, if you take it and then there's your sushi roll. Okay, got that one. So now I'm gonna do one with avocado. So I'm gonna get some more rice. Make sure you got the rough side up. And this time I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit more because I know last time I did need it. Okay, get your hands wet. And then start moving all your rice out. Now you can put whatever you want on it. These are the ones that we like, with the cucumber and the crab meat and avocado and cream cheese. But you know, you could put different stuff in it. Once you learn how to roll it, you're pretty much put whatever you want in it, as far as vegetables. And if you want raw fish, I don't really care for raw fish. Well, I really can't say that. I haven't tried it in a long time, but last time I didn't care for it, but I do like these kind. Roll it around here. A little bit. Take the seaweed, flip it over. That. Okay, this time we're going to do. No, I'm sorry. I'm going to put the crab meat. Crab meat. I'm going to put the cream cheese. A little piece. And then avocado. So I always hold this so it doesn't slide, and you're going to make it go over to where it's almost touching this piece. And once it does, then give it a little squeeze. Like that. And then just going to let it go over. Squeeze again. And like that. And then hold this end. And then just roll it back out. Squeeze it every now and then. And then there's the seaweed. Sushi, I mean. Okay, I've got some made. So I got some black sesame seeds, and I'm just going to put some on it. I can't sprinkle it on because this lid is just a big hole. There's no sprinkle thing, so I figure I might be better off just doing it by hand so I don't make a mess. We're going to cut it now. To cut it, you got to make sure the knife is wet. So I'm going to use some of that same water. And then always cut it in half, best you can. And then wet it every time, because if not, it's going to... And then we're going to do the same thing. Wet it. And then cut these in half. Because that cream cheese and that sticky rice, it will definitely make a mess if you don't. This makes it where it cuts through it a lot easier. Okay. And there's the inside. Alright, it's all done, so now I'm going to do a taste test. I got some of the Yum Yum sauce in here. And I'm just going to grab one in here and taste it. Mm-hmm. That's good. Very good. And the rice turned out perfect. We're not adding the extra stuff that was on the back. It tastes amazing. I'm going to have one more. Very good. It's not hard to make. Just about everything you can get from Walmart or probably any other grocery store. I'm not for sure, but I know Walmart has it. With that being said, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe and push the bell button to be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.